Channels like Fern, Ironic, and Cipher are pulling tens of millions of views per video. Every person on screen is a faceless mannequin. No eyes, no mouth. Just smooth, glossy figures moving through cinematic scenes. Most people assume that's Blender, or an animation studio, thousands of dollars per minute. I reverse engineered exactly how those videos are made. It's two free AI tools, no animation skills, no rendering. I'm going to show you the exact workflow so you can build the same engine yourself. Quick note before we start. This is part of a series I'm running on this channel called Video Engine. Every episode, I take a different format or niche viewers requested in the comments. If you want me to continue this series, you can type continue in the comments. Okay, let's start. Open NotebookLM first. Create a fresh notebook. Now open YouTube. Search one word, Fern. Hit enter. The first channel that pops up, that's the one. Go to the Videos tab. Switch the sort filter from latest to popular. The top 10 videos are the ones the algorithm rewarded hardest. Those are your training data. Right-click the first video. Copy link. Back to NotebookLM. Paste it in as a YouTube source. Repeat down to the 10th video. 10 sources locked in. Hit generate. Here's the part most people skip. By default, NotebookLM is a research tool. We need it to write like Fern. Open the settings. Go to chat configuration. Switch the persona to custom. Paste the topic and script creator prompt, on screen now, also in the description. NotebookLM is now a documentary scriptwriter trained on Fern's voice, using those 10 videos as its style bible. Now watch how short the prompts get from here. The cold open formula, the sentence rhythm, the cliffhanger rules, all of it is already inside the role prompt. So I type 6 words. Give me 5 topic ideas. Hit send. 5 ideas come back. The 4th pulls me in hardest. Hacking the director. Billion-dollar systems protect American intelligence. That's the one. Same simplicity for the script. One line. Write a 1,000-word script for the idea number 4. 60 seconds later, finished script. Dated cold open. Sharp rhythm. Cliffhanger ending. I scroll through it. One thing worth pausing on. This script is demonetization safe. Why? The topic is ours. What we copied from Fern is style, not content. No transcript scraping, no retelling. Only the cadence and structure. The algorithm doesn't care that the rhythm nods to Fern. It cares that the script is original. Copy the script. Save it. We move to step 2. You have a script. You don't have a plan for what goes on screen. Step 2 solves that. Open a new NotebookLM project. Don't reuse the script notebook. Sources are different and you don't want them mixing. Now open the AI Garage 3D Doc Visual Planner. The link is in the description. Inside the doc, File, Download as PDF. Upload the PDF into the new notebook as the only source. Hit Generate. This PDF captures the entire 3D documentary visual language, the glossy mannequin world, the color rules, the 2 environment modes, the locked prompt formats for Nano Banana and Meta AI Custom Animate. Configure the chat like step 1. Custom persona. Paste the Visual Planner master prompt, also in the description. The simplicity rule still holds. Heavy lifting lives in the role prompt, so my input stays short. In the chat, I type one line. Create visual plan for the following script. Now I need the script. Switch to the script notebook in the other tab. Copy the first 3 or 4 paragraphs. Switch back. Paste right after the prompt. Hit send. Quick note. My script is too long for one paste, so I'm only adding the opening chunk here. If your script is short, paste it all at once. If it's long, keep the same chat open. Paste the next chunk with continue in front, and NotebookLM will keep the same character tags and row format. For this demo, I'll use the visual plan from this first chunk to show the full pipeline. What comes back is 2 blocks. First, character creation prompts. 1 per main character, tagged in capital letters. Second, the scene table. Each row a beat, voiceover line capped at 20 words, text to image prompt for the still, image to video prompt for Meta AI Custom Animate. Copy everything into a doc. That's your production map. Now we generate the visuals. Search Google Flow on Google. Click the first result and start a new project. Inside Flow, make sure image generation is selected and the model picker is set to Nano Banana. Back to the Visual Planner notebook. Copy the first character prompt. Paste it into Flow. Hit Generate. While that's rendering, copy the second character prompt and submit it too. Flow runs both in parallel. When the characters land, name them. Right-click the first, rename to Protagonist. Right-click the second, rename to Director. Those exact names match the tags inside every scene prompt. That's how to link a character reference to a shot. Now Scene 1. Copy the image prompt for Scene 1 from the Visual Planner notebook. Paste it into Flow. Tap the plus button to attach Protagonist since he's in the scene. Generate. Here's the still. Clean Fern look. Scene 2. Copy the image prompt for Scene 2. Protagonist is in this one too, so I attach him again. This time I also attach the Scene 1 image as a reference. That pulls the lighting and mood forward, so Scene 2 doesn't feel like a different scene. Generate. Same character, same world. Scene 3. This one's director's beat. Copy the row 3 image prompt. Tap plus. Attach director instead of protagonist this time. Generate. The second locked character now lives in the same world. I do the same for few other scenes, picking whichever character the row calls for. Time to animate. Search Meta AI on Google. Click the first result. Upload the Scene 1 image. Copy the image to video prompt for Scene 1 from the Visual Planner notebook. Paste it into the box. Submit. A few seconds later, the still is alive, smooth, no warping, on style. I do the same for Scene 2. Upload. Paste the row 2 video prompt. Submit. Both clips ready. I'll repeat for few other scenes. Now we assemble. First, voiceover. Search Google AI Studio Generate Speech on Google. Click the first result. That's the text generation tool inside Google AI Studio. Scroll through the voice options at the top. Since we're working in a crime documentary niche, I want something lower pitched, controlled, slightly menacing. I pick one that matches. Back to the script notebook. Copy the first scene's voiceover. Paste it into Google AI Studio. Generate. Download the clip. I repeat the same for every other scene. Copy, paste, generate, download, until the whole script is voiced in chunks. Next, music. Open YouTube Studio in a new tab and head to the audio library. At the top are filter dropdowns. Since this is crime, I set genre to cinematic and mood to dark. I preview 3 or 4. Pick the one that sits under narration without fighting it. Download. Quick tip. Meta AI stamps a watermark on each clip. Search Watermark Remover on Google, drop the clip into a tool in the first results, export clean. Now CapCut. Open a new project. Quick note, I'm only editing the first few scenes here for the demonstration. Upload your voiceover files first and drop them on the audio track in order, end to end. Now upload the animated scene videos. Drop each one above its matching voiceover line and sync. If a scene clip is shorter than its voiceover line, you have 2 clean fixes. Duplicate the clip and reverse the duplicate so it boomerangs back, or slow it down until it matches. Between scenes, add a subtle transition, nothing flashy, a short fade. Drop the music track underneath everything. Trim it to the total length of the video. Pull its volume way down so the voiceover stays the loudest element in the mix. Double-check the timing one pass through. Export. Here's the final result.
October 2015. A house in the West Midlands of England. A 15-year-old boy sits in his bedroom. He holds a telephone in his hand. He inhales marijuana smoke. He waits for the connection. The call connects to a man named John Brennan. Brennan is the director of the Central Intelligence Agency. The boy does not introduce himself. He tells the director he owns him. He demands $5 trillion.
That is how you build a 3D documentary video engine. Fern-grade visuals, voiceover, music, edit, all from free tools. No animation skills required. If you liked this, drop continue in the comments along with the niche or format you want next. And if you got stuck on any step, drop your question too. I read every single one. And if you want to see the video engine applied to a completely different niche, click the video on your screen right now. It's one of the most watched episodes in the series. See you there.